Welcome to Learn New Technology. Now we are going to see how to create Allure report for NUnit framework with C#. NUnit is a unit testing framework for .NET application. So here I have given my GitHub link, so you can get the code from there. And the record package also I have given here. And now we need to create a new project. So let's click on create a new project now. Then we need to select NUnit test project .NET Core. Then we need to give the project name. So let's give the project name now. So let's click on create. So project is now created. So the required packages list also I have given. So automatically 3 packages will be loaded. So remaining one, there is one more package, that is NUnit Allure. So that we can download it through package manager. So here we need to type on NUnit Allure. So we'll get it. Then we need to select, then click on install. So click on OK. So it will be automatically installed. So next we need to create 2 folders. One is Allure results, another one is Allure report in project folder. So we need to go to our project folder and select option as add for create new folder. So let's give the name as Allure results. Then select our project, then create one more folder. So let's give the name as Allure report. So here in this folder the report will be generated. So next we need to create 2 files. This one is Allure config and another one is categories. So these files we need to create in under bin folder, then debug folder, then netcore app 3.1 folder. So here we need to create those 2 files. So let's create a file one by one. Let's name it as categories.json. Let's click on yes. Then next let's create another file, that is. So here we need to, before that we need to include the statement. So this content, everything I have given in my notes, you can get it from GitHub. So this notes files also you can get it from there. So here we can add it. The next file, allureconfig.json file, we need to add. So let's create it now. So we need to select the option as, then next. So give the name as. Then we need to include the statement here. There is also I have given in the notes. You can get it from there. Let's copy it and paste it there and save it. So here we need to give the Allure results folder. So let's get the path. So once we update it, we need to give the double slash in between each folder. For that we are updating it now. So it's been updated. So let's save it and close it. Next we need to make sure. So just know what we did. So here we have two files. So we have confirmed. Then we need to go to PowerShell. So where we need to install these two queries. So let's copy it now. So we have landed in Windows PowerShell. So here we need to enter it. Then very first we need to enter it. Next time onwards it will not require to enter. So I have already did. So you have to do that. Then next we need to install Allure through Scoop. So copy it, then hit enter key. So I have already installed. Then I have given the script also in the notes. You can get it from there. So let's copy these packages, package name. Then include it in the very beginning. Then these are the annotations. So let's include it. So here these are the test cases. So every test case above we have the statements. So I'll give you the details about in detail. So we have pasted it, what we have copied. So here it mentioned about suit, the test case name. So the is a method. So here we can mention our test case name. So for demo purpose, I have given us a method. So I have noted it as the test case name. Then copy, select our project folder. So it's been started compiling. So let's go to Test Explorer. So before that, let's verify it in Allure results folder. We don't have any files. So once we run our test, we'll get the files there. So I think we have some error. Let's correct it. Oh, I think we have done some mistake. Let's go to JSON file. So here Allure config file. So let's get into that file. I think we forgot to include one more double slash. So let's verify. Oh, we need to add it there. Let's say we unclose it. Then we'll recompile it. Then run the code again. So we got the result. So method to pass. So let's verify it. Allure result folder will be having files. So based upon these files, we'll get the report. So let's go to PowerShell. So here we need to type Allure serve. Then we need to give the Allure results folder path. So the report is going to generate now. So the report is generated. So out of 3 test case, 2 pass, 1 fail. So we got the result. So method 3 pass. This is what we'll be getting the output. This is test fixture. It's one of the attribute. It tells about it contains unit test. Next, Allure NUnit. It's one of the attribute. It tells about we are going to use Allure. So in description we have given about the test case. The next Allure tag. So here we can give whatever we have given. It will be reflected in the report. The next severity level. Either we can create a critical, major, minor based upon our requirement. Next the bug ID. Next Allure TMS. So once the report is generated, we can integrate with the external system. Next the person who has written the script, we can give the name. Next it belongs to suit 1 test case. So here we can mention. Next this is a test case name. Here we have added asset statement. So for example, we can refer this test case. So here we have given the values for variable, and after make the operation, if the condition met, it will get into this block, else it will get into else block. So currently it will get into else block. So the test case is going to get failed now. So let's compile it. Next successfully it's compiled. Let's go to test explorer. So here we need to click on run all the tests. So it's successfully run. So let's go to Windows PowerShell. Here we need to enter Allure serve, then Allure results folder path we have given. So based upon Allure results folder, the report will be generated. So the report is going to generate now. It's generated. So here we have the output. Suit 1 test cases. Out of 3, 2 pass, 1 fail. So here the assertion statement also, the result also given. Expected 4, but we have 3. Next, so here tag C we have given. So it's reflecting. Next severity level what we have given. So based upon our requirement, we can customize it. Next bug ID what we have given. If you want to refer the previous bug, then we can give it here. The next the DB external system, we can integrate our report. Then suit 2 only one contain only one test case. It's got failed. So condition is not met. That's why it got into else block. So now we will make it as pass. Further let's change it as 30. So the condition will get true. So it will get into if block. So our test case will get pass. Let's recompile it. So successfully compiled. Then we will run it again. So our script is successfully run. Out of 4, 3 passes, 1 failed. So let's run our report now. So already served, then the Allure results folder path we have given. Let's wait for the report generate. So suit number 2 test case got pass. So likewise we can give the report. So I'd like to subscribe my channel. Thank you for watching.